this is Dimpy. You know, we all used to stay in the olden days with our grandmothers in a joint family. Whenever we fell ill, whenever we had a slight cold or a slight cough, the first person we would go to was our Nani or our Dadi. Just looking at them and the warm, comforting hug they used to give us would cure us. But in addition, they had these amazing home remedies, which I'm going to do a series of this called From the Kitchen Pharmacy. So let's start with something very simple, like a sore throat. At the first sign of a sore throat, our grandmothers would give us warm water, they would put a little haldi in it, they would put some honey in it, and they would tell us, now go and gargle, and make sure you gargle well so we can hear the sound. So we would promptly go in, do our little bit of gargling, get a little treat after it, and we would feel better. Another awesome remedy from their kitchen was 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of honey. They would mix this and they would leave it with us and make sure we had this 3 times a day. We would have to finish it by the time we went to bed. And sure enough, the morning when we woke up, we didn't have a sore throat at all. These are really amazing remedies, and I really do want to focus on all these. So in my next segment, I'm going to talk about colds. All the best and happy healing from Naturally Dimpy.